Hello everyone, a warm welcome to my YouTube channel Shalini Foods. Today's recipe is egg masala Maggi. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. Let's start the recipe. In a vessel add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, half tablespoon of cumin. Add 1 medium-sized chopped onion. Saute it on low heat. Add 1 medium-sized chopped tomato. Saute them until tomatoes become soft. Adjust salt as per your taste. Now add 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric, half tablespoon of red chili powder, 3/4 tablespoon of coriander powder and 3/4 tablespoon of garam masala powder. Saute for 2 minutes on low heat. Adjust salt as per your taste. Now I am adding Maggi masala powder. Here I am using 3 packets. Saute for 2 minutes on low heat. Add 3 cups of water. Cook on high heat until it boils. Add 3 packets of Maggi. Cook on low heat. Close and cook on low heat until Maggi is 70% cooked. Now add 3 boiled egg pieces. Again cover and cook for 3 minutes on low heat. Finally add some coriander and mix well. Tasty egg masala Maggi is ready. Serve hot. More breakfast recipes and snack recipes are given in the description box. Please watch them for more delicious options. Please like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. Stay connected with me on Facebook and Instagram by following my profiles. Thanks for watching.